So today we're going to be reviewing the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics lip collection. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. I actually did not try out the first one just because, as you guys can see, I'm a little bit on the darker side, and I wasn't really feeling the nude collection too much. It just wasn't colors that I would wear personally. But this new collection that they have right here is definitely up my alley, and I am so excited to be swatching this for you guys, seeing if it's more color friendly. We're gonna get right into the swatches, and yeah. Okay, so this kit retails for $42. They have two matte shades in here, two matte lipsticks, then they have a velvet matte lipstick, and then they have a lip gloss. So I'm not gonna do like a whole bunch of talking. We're just gonna get right into the swatches and see if this is a yay or a nay. Okay, so the first shade that I'm using is Soul Sister, and this is a matte shade. And honestly, I can say I am obsessed with this lip right here. Like, this is really cute. I mean, so let's try another one. This is the last matte shade. Let's swatch the other one. This one's called Double Tree. Okay, so that's giving off like a warm reddish brown. And that's Double Tree. Okay, so let's see what Double Tree is about. I can be good or be naughty. The formula is really good. Love you like I do. I really like this KKW. Oh, and another thing, guys, I like to keep my hands pretty like on the oily side. Not really oily, just moisturized. And this box gonna tell on you too. You see, you know. So if you want to keep the box, you know how it came, wipe your hands first. I like it. I do. And they don't, it doesn't even feel like you have any product on your lips. I mean, they dry pretty fast. Cause you know how like some liquid lipsticks or like some lipsticks in general, they just look a little cheap on your lips. I mean, this right here, this ain't that, you know. This is real good. Alright guys, so let's get into this KKW Twinning lipstick. The nudie mauve pink color right here. Honestly guys, I'm like looking at this and I'm like, oh, I might need like a lip liner, you know? Cute color. It needs some liner for me. It's not that I don't like the shade, I just feel like the way my makeup and stuff is set up right now, it's not appropriate for this shade. I mean, if you want, you could line it with some liner. I'm not about to do that. I'm just here to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the tube. So we're not about to line it or anything. Tell me down in the comment section down below what you guys think. I do think that Twinning, the Velvet Matte shade, is a yay without a liner, or sis, we need the liner. Like, let me know. Alright guys, last but not least, we're going in with Main Bay, which is the one gloss that they have in the collection, and the main reason why I bought this collection from them. Ooh, I'm hyped. Look at that. Come on. It's thinning off like a bronzy goldish color. So yeah, let's see what this main bay is about. Alright guys, so this is the main bay. Matte, which the matte shades is a go for me. I love both of the matte shades. Like really love both of the matte shades. We had the velvet matte. It wasn't that I wasn't a fan of it. I just kind of felt like it was a little, it needed a liner. We'll say that. And then we have this one right here, which is real pretty. But we didn't like the brush tip.